Hi everyone, and welcome to the AGI Safety course. I will give you a quick introduction to AGI alignment and an overview of what we will cover in the course. The goal of AGI alignment is to figure out how to build general AI systems that do what we want them to do and don't knowingly act against our interests. So to start with, what do we mean by AGI? We define this as an AI system or collection of systems that outperforms 99% of skilled adults at most cognitive tasks. Here, cognitive tasks include things like writing papers, coding, developing apps, management, marketing, sales, and so on. And we note that the system can be superhuman, i.e. outperforming all humans, at some subset of these tasks. So this definition of AGI is at level 4 in our Levels of AGI framework, if you'd like to read more about it. And given accelerating progress in AI, this is actually a possibility in the medium term, as large language models are showing increasing capabilities in various cognitive tasks. And we can expect some unique challenges in getting these advanced AI systems to do what we want. So there are several factors that make alignment a difficult problem. First of all, it's hard to specify what we want the system to do and give good feedback to the system, because here we run into Goodhart's law. When a metric becomes a target, it often ceases to be a good metric. And we have lots of examples of Goodhart's law in action with present-day AI systems, and I'll cover some of these later in the course. And even if we manage to specify what we want correctly, we're still not done, because the AI system could still learn unintended goals that are consistent with the training data. So if we don't succeed at getting AGI systems to do what we want them to do, that's pretty bad news for us. Powerful AGI systems that pursue the wrong goal could potentially cause extreme harm to humanity, because such systems could pursue that undesired goal at the expense of what we actually want, and also stop us from interfering. So it would be great to get this right and make sure that we only build aligned AI systems. And in this course, we'll cover what alignment problems we can expect as AI systems become more capable and how we might go about solving them. Here is an outline of the course. In part 1, we cover the risk arguments and technical problems in AI alignment. We'll have some talks for you to watch and some exercises for you to do on your own. Each exercise accompanies the talk right before it and should take about 15 minutes to complete. You can watch a 3-minute talk introducing the exercise and then work on it in the course workbook. And in part 2, we'll cover our technical approach to the alignment problem. We'll start with a talk about the overall approach and then cover different components of the approach in separate talks. So you can go through these in any order you like. And then in part 3, we'll cover our internal approach to AI governance, starting from a high-level overview and then going into specific governance practices. So here are some key points that we would most like you to get out of this course. Firstly, understand the evidence for the field being on a path to advanced AI capabilities. Understand the arguments for instrumental sub-goals and deliberate planning towards a misaligned goal as a source of extreme risk. Define 2 ways in which misaligned goals may arise, which is specification gaming and goal misgeneralization, as well as the difference between the two. Understand GDM's overall approach to AI alignment and its components. In particular, describe the guiding principle of informed oversight, which is knowing what the AI system knows, and how this is implemented in our approach. And lastly, understand what is involved in enabling AI safety on an institutional level, including frontier safety practices, such as dangerous capability evaluations. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the course.